Okay, this is my dedicated room tour of my Cosmopolitan Terrace studio with a premium view. So that is the premium view. I'm on the 52nd floor. Stunning views of the Bellagio fountain, the Paris Eiffel Tower, and really just mesmerizing views of the entire strip. The balcony life at the Cosmopolitan is what defines these rooms. I'm gonna step out there in just a second. What I'm gonna do is go over everything in this room. I'm gonna go over all the specifics, and then at the end of this video, I'm going to discuss this room versus the Terrace one bedroom, which I stayed in last time. There are similarities, there are differences, there are pros, there are cons. I'm gonna tell you which one I think is better and which one I would choose, and you might be surprised. But let's start with the room tour, and let's begin with the bathroom. It's the first thing we encounter as we enter the room. This bathroom is really quite large for a standard room here at the Cosmopolitan. You have a nice soaking tub that does have jets in it, and then this shower is gargantuan. It is definitely designed for more than one person. I love the huge bench right there. You can put your products on there or even sit down. 5 Wits products are everywhere in this bathroom, and my favorite feature is actually this shimmering, glittering tile. This is ultra trick. Behind this door is a dedicated toilet room. This is really large, almost obscenely large, nice and white and bright in here, really comfortable decor. And the thing I like most about this bathroom is that the door shuts automatically. It's quite convenient. Here's your dual vanity, split mirror. This is kind of the chintziest part of the room. I'd like to see a larger mirror setup. I do like the impregnated ring light that goes around the mirror. That is really cool. But for a 5-star hotel, I would like to see something a bit more extravagant than these smaller mirrors. And as we move out of this room, this door does shut for privacy. And then you have a full-length mirror to check yourself out before you enter the Vegas limelight. There is really cool, seductive, and quirky artwork everywhere in this room. I'll point that out as we encounter it. Moving on into the entertainment room, the television room, you have a really large TV. And to complement that really large TV, you have a huge L couch. This thing could easily sleep 2 people. So if you want to sleep 2, 3, 4 people in this room, you could. It's not the most comfortable couch in the world, but it's not the least comfortable either. And I really like this furry throw pillow. I think that's a nice touch. So yeah, you could easily sleep a couple people on here if you wanted to. I like the seductive artwork on the wall up here. Takes up the entire wall, adds some edge to the room. So swinging around here is your mini bar. This is nothing new to Vegas. You've seen one mini bar, you've seen them all. But what I find most critical about this setup is here is a mini fridge. And I don't remember this being in the one bedroom. It could have been, but I don't remember it. This is really vital for stocking up on adult beverages, keeping your liquids cool. And also for me, the most important thing is leftovers. You do have a tablet, and you can control the lights. You can't control the curtains, but you can control the lights. You can order room service. It's more functional than Vidara's, but less functional than Aria's. So here's the bedroom. You have a bench here. Whenever there's a bed bench or a foot bench by the bed, that's always a sign of class. If you are in a 5-star hotel room, you better see one of these. I usually keep my shoes on here or some stuff I like to keep close to the bed. And speaking of the Cosmopolitan bed, it is not that comfortable. So if you are one that really wants a luxurious sleeping experience, this is not the bed or maybe the hotel for you. If you're an easy sleeper, no problem. But if you're a light sleeper and you need the best, this is not it. I've had better beds at Terrace, better beds at Delano, basically better beds in half the hotels I've been to. It just isn't that nice. It's too springy. These are some of the best robes in Vegas. These are perfect. Not too light, not too heavy, nicely quilted, great texture fabric. These are unbelievable. The closet is actually really large. I love the silver and pink wallpaper that lines the back. Ironing board, all the standard stuff back here. This TV does pull out and articulate, so you can really point it at any direction in the room that you want. Last but not least, let's check out this balcony. This is what makes the Cosmopolitan room. This is a defining feature of this hotel. It's the only standard balcony on the strip, and you get it at the 5-star Cosmopolitan. That's really special. Again, this is a premium view, 52nd floor. You have some seating out here. Views of everything in Vegas. So you got the Bellagio fountains, you got the Eiffel Tower. The Paris Hotel is absolutely mesmerizing when it's lit up at night. You can see all the way down to Resort World, Palazzo, Wynn, Treasure Island, Mirage. It is really special to come out here and take in an evening. So I don't spend a lot of time out here because the Cosmopolitan has so much to offer. However, it is a nice place to come out, have some lunch, chill in the morning, chill in the evening, and take in the scenery. So let's talk about the Terrace one bedroom versus the Terrace studio. If you remember my one bedroom, it has the living room right when you walk in, and then there's a hallway, and that leads into the bedroom. It's a little compartmentalized, and it's kind of boxy. This is more wide open and more spacious. However, the bathroom is what begins the room, where in the one bedroom, the bathroom is at the end of the room. Also in the one bedroom, the bathroom overlooks the strip. The bathroom is right next to the bedroom, and when you're in the tub, you actually can have this view. That is really, really special. However, this bathroom is not that bad. You do get a larger shower, a much larger shower. However, in this Terrace studio, you do not get the square soaking tub that was in the one bedroom, and also in the one bedroom, the tub and the shower were combined into one. I just basically call it a bathing room. But overall, the bathroom is the same size, and the room is the same size. And if you are okay with not having that showering and bathing room that overlooks the strip, which is a really cool feature, I think that this Terrace studio is the better room because I really enjoy the open floor plan. I think it has better feng shui. And also the one bedroom didn't flow very well because you had an intermediate room between the living room and the bedroom. Here, it's much easier to entertain. It's much easier to have friends over because here's the bedroom, there's the balcony, here's the living room. So if you're one that really needs your privacy, I would suggest going with the one bedroom. But if it's just gonna be you or you're with someone that you're really comfortable with and that you trust, this Terrace studio, I think, is the one to get. It's cheaper, there's just as much square footage, and I like the feng shui and the spatial layout much better.